Good morning, my lollies. Hope you're doing well and having an amazing day. This is like my classic start to my every single video now, but I'm loving it. Anyways, so I just woke up today and I thought that I can share a what I eat in a day video. So we're gonna have wellness shots, we're gonna have easy healthy meal ideas, and I'll try to keep it as realistic as possible since nowadays I'm consuming a bit sugar. I'm guilty of that, I accept it. But anyways, I'm having my morning drink at the moment. Basically, it's some warm water, lemon juice, and some natural honey. It works so well for me and it does wonders for your digestive system. Let's get our day started with a yummy, healthy breakfast. I'm feeling like I'm craving an oatmeal right now, so I'll check out my stocks. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. By the way, this is how I look without makeup and my under eyes are going crazy. I hope you don't mind. Breakfast is ready and it's definitely looking more aesthetic than I ever thought. Well, let's begin and I'll see you later. It's 1 p.m. I've been working for a while now. I am feeling a little bit hungry, so I'll prepare myself something like a snack slash pick-me-up meal slash lunch. So I guess I'll go for a basic sandwich and my wellness shot. So these ice cubes you see are basically our homemade wellness shots. It has ginger, orange, lemon, and honey. And I hope that it will taste good because, to be honest, it's gonna be my first time trying out, so I'm excited. Taking a glass. And I'll basically put this into, and I'm boiling some water right now. It's so nice. brunch is done, so I think I can call this a wellness drink instead of a shot because it's a whole glass. It's looking nice, it's looking aesthetic and extra healthy, but I hope it tastes good, but not that sour because I don't like soury drinks. We will see. And here is my super basic sandwich. It basically has some greens, some cucumber and tomato, and I also added some cheese, as you can see, and that's basically all. Taking my first sip. It's actually sweet. I think they put more orange than lemon or ginger. I can definitely taste ginger, but this is like, oh my god. Today is a leg day, so I will get it done quickly because after that I plan to go out for some cafe work because that way I just feel less distracted and more productive. So yeah, I just loved how these two pairs complete each other perfectly. Like, it's so good. It feels like they already became like a set, but they're in different colors. Just got ready. It's a little bit hot outside, also sunny, so I'll take my sunglasses and heading to the cafe. made myself a quick light dinner for tonight. So I have my leftover soup. This is a very traditional Turkish soup. I'll try to explain it with texts over here, so hopefully you can understand. But I will say this is a very it's a homemade soup and it's super healthy, so I definitely like this one. And over here I have some veggies, cucumber, that's my favorite when spring is just around the corner. And I have some bread and some zucchini, some carrots, and I also came up with a quick yogurt sauce, and that's basically it. Guys, it's 9 p.m. right now, and I've been craving something sweet, but like an unhealthy snack or something, and I just found this chocolate bar in our storage, and I will eat this one. I mean, this happens a lot. Okay, let's put it in a realistic way. I most of the time snack, whether it's healthy or unhealthy, before I go to bed. Not like the last minute, but like 1 hour ago or something. I like to eat because I kind of feel hungry. I don't know if this is because I have a problem or I eat less at dinner time, but this is how I just been eating the last few months, let's say. This is so crunchy. I mean, listen to this sound.